Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare REVOLUT versus TRADING212. First I'm going to talk about the fees, then account opening, markets and products, customer service, design and education. So let's start. In a short, if you don't want to watch this whole video, don't go with REVOLUT. And now there are the reasons. I'm not paid by any of these companies. I'm just going to give you the object review of something that you should do or shouldn't do, and then you decide. REVOLUT is not free. You see here the free stock trading, and they are going to offer, but you have only free trades per month on a 0 per month account. So let's say that you want to buy a stocks like Apple or I don't know, Microsoft and something else, Tesla. You buy free and then you want to buy it again in this month. You can do it. You can do it, but you're gonna pay €1 a fee, which is like extremely high. But to have 15 free trades, you need to have a premium account in REVOLUT. So that's like not worth it at all. In TRADING212, you have free stocks and free ETF, completely commission free. And this is what I have. So this is why I recommend it. This is why I've invested for TRADING212. Another thing is that you got quick and easy account opening. It's on both of these platforms. You don't have any withdrawal fee. You don't have any inactivity fee on both of these platforms, so that's good. Another thing of cons, if you're from the Europe, you need to pay a conversion fee to convert money from Euro to USD on REVOLUT. In TRADING212, you have actually Euro account, and you don't have to actually invest you don't have to actually pay conversion fee. So let me just show you, and I will just show you straight away. So when I go here, you can see that I have funds in a Euro, and I can see here that I got like 2 ETF that I'm investing in VVCE, the Vanguard, which is like really good. And now this is why I like TRADING212. So if you're from the Europe and watching this from the Europe, go with the TRADING212. You can also buy stocks. So let's say that you want to buy 10 stocks per month. Just go for trading. Don't go for REVOLUT because you're going to pay a lot of money in fees. Now let's talk about this. Okay. And now let's go with the markets and products. REVOLUT has only stock and crypto, nothing else. And also what I saw that sometimes they will just delete some stocks from their portfolio. For example, they threw away Hertz. That's like really good penny stock. And now on TRADING212, you got stock, ETF, Forex, CFD and crypto. So you have many options. But also guys, if you're from the stock and ETF, go with the TRADING212. If you're wanting to invest to CFD or Forex, I wouldn't recommend it. I would go with XTB or DeGiro if it's able to buy CFD there, I don't know. And also interactive brokers, that's which through I would invest to CFD and Forex. Research, again, REVOLUT, you just see the small bar there, small chart, that's it. They don't have any web trading platform at all. But TRADING212 is like simple to use, good, easy to use if you want to do day trading. Then you're gonna see customer service. In REVOLUT, the customer service is non-existent, my friends, non-existent. Trust me in that. If you go to Reddit, if you go to YouTube comments, you're gonna see it by yourself. Really. But TRADING212 has much better customer service. You got phone support, relevant answer. And when I wrote them in Sunday, guys, I wrote them in Sunday to add an ETF. They replied to me in 3 hours in Sunday. No kidding. It was like, what the hell is that? And guys, I'm not like preaching to use one instead of the other. I don't have any affiliate links in a description on REVOLUT or TRADING212. So you know what I'm telling you is the truth. Then education. This is something I don't like so much, that you don't have opportunity to use trading demo account on platform. I don't like it. Like, I think that you should have the option to use trading demo account on your investing platform to feel it, to see how it works, you know? And that's pretty much it. And now the safety. This is something particular. So on TRADING212, I have one problem straight away, is that sometimes, like, if someone hacks to your account, he can just easily, I don't know, trade things, etc. So someone hacks to your account and there is no, like, it's so easy. So let's say that he can just easily deposit funds. He gets to your account. He can easily deposit funds and just pay it. Also, when he would get to your mobile, or he can sell all stocks and just buy something else if someone hacks your account. And this is something which I'm like, I don't know, my friend, my brother. But yeah, maybe there is like settings that I need to mess around with. But yeah, it's like crazy to me. But that's pretty much it. So I don't even recommend. I always do the summer videos, little summary on the end of the video, but I don't recommend Revolut at all. It's a bad platform to be in. It's not good at all. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and see ya.